Me always hear a saying, we say, it better to walk for nothing more than sit down for nothing. You know? Because if you ever sit down for nothing, you know no reason for sit down. You just sit down. There is nothing going to come out of that more than just sit down, But if you walk, you don't have a reason to walk, But you just get up and walk. There is a possibility that you wind back up on something because watch a prayer, I remember one of the time, when time I live in a rent house, Yeah, anybody live in a rent house know the problem, especially when time you have kids to feed and the money now come in the way you want it forward, Everybody will live in a rent house and know that type of style there. Know what me I talk about. The agony, and the stress where it bring. And say, on a big woman levels, me there yard there and thing and me daddy and my girlfriend. Me dead sit down there. And my girlfriend said to me, say, oh, when I go up at the shop, go buy a box of milk for me. You see me? And say me daddy, when a big woman levels and me never want to go, Big woman think me daddy and me I say, Jaja, me say, I want to meet the rent, but me I think of a way, Yeah. And think. God, me I try a lot of things and nothing and go. And say, I stay so and jump in my car, And I make some bumps and go up the road, up at the shop. I say, how I go? I go in at the shop, father. See me? Yeah, I go in at the shop and I buy the milk. And say, just as I go back in my car and I drive out, I want last stick up. Tyler money me buck up and me I say, Jaja, me say me not even cut, me just stay some woman and drive, go closer to it and just pull me door and take you up. Throw it down in my car and drive go back down in my yard. And me have the money there for approximately a week, Yeah, me I'll go back up at the shop to see if me go hear anybody because me a youth me have a conscience, You see me? Me now go just go up there go say, yo, see money how me find. But if me go up there and a person say, oh, say, as much as me want it, yeah, me know say as somebody it lasts from. But me no know who the person it lasts from, Yeah, and me I tell you, say me find the money where me could have pay me rent. Me gee, it's like the father up above put it down there for me because until today, yeah, me no hear nobody ask about that the kind of money there where me find. You would know the vibe. So, it better for you to walk for nothing. No reason at all. You just do something. More than sit down not doing nothing. Because that now will profit you nothing. No joke. And when me say walk for nothing or sit down for nothing, it don't necessarily mean say you go get up and walk up and down, No, I don't mean that. That's why them say it's a saying. Is a parable, and them say a parable is a short story that illustrates a moral lesson. You see me? Yeah. So me no mean say yeah go get up and just a walk out like you not have no abiding city. It mean instead of sitting there not doing anything, get up and find something constructive to do. You see me? Yeah. If you want to fly a plane, or if you want to learn to fly a plane, just sit down there not doing anything. Try to find a source where it teach you so that you can learn how to fly a plane. And if by trying to find a source to learn how to fly a plane, maybe I'll book up on a source where teach you how to make plane. Yeah, so that is it. That's why I say it the saying. Say it is better to walk for nothing, than to sit down for nothing. Yes, sir.